Welcome to the Chase Network, your ultimate destination for real-life pursuits, adrenaline-fueled chases, and the stories that keep you on the edge of your seat. From high-speed getaways to dramatic takedowns, we dive deep into the world of law enforcement and the risks they face to keep us safe. Get ready for action, insight, and unforgettable moments. Like, subscribe, and join us as we bring you closer to the pursuit than ever before. This is the Chase Network, where the chase begins. Tonight on the Chase Network, we bring you two adrenaline-pumping pursuits that showcase the sheer determination of law enforcement in action. First, a high-speed highway chase that pushes vehicles to their limits. Then, a heart-stopping urban pursuit through narrow streets, where every second counts. Get ready to experience the thrill, the strategy, and the action, right here on the Chase Network. Buckle up. It's time to chase the truth. September 2nd, 2024. A quiet evening on Interstate 40 takes a dramatic turn when a car speeds past at 103 miles per hour, triggering a high-stakes pursuit. What starts as a routine traffic stop spirals into a tense chase, a daring escape on foot, and a hunt that spans hours. With language barriers, unexpected twists, and a suspect on the run, this is a pursuit you don't want to miss.
$800.
283 eastbound, 803 Boy George Victor Mary, a 10-seat white Toyota Camry.
Hayward. Good time.
Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands!
Two running southbound. Looks like Hispanic male.
Two running southbound, Hispanic male.
Vehicle clear.
Vehicle clear.
See if K9 West Memphis has a K9 available.
Hayward.
In the end, the suspect was apprehended and taken into custody, but this incident serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of reckless driving and impaired decisions. Every choice we make on the road matters. Always drive responsibly and think twice before risking lives, including your own. In the second case of our series, a routine patrol quickly turned into a heart-pounding chase. What seemed like a simple traffic stop took a dark turn when a driver tossed something suspicious from their window. Moments later, a high-speed pursuit unfolded, and what followed would leave everyone involved on edge.
Just try to TV out, they better check me. I got him right here. Top on ramp. Gotta make a point. Hands!
We'll be there in just a second.
Hands! Hands!
51, you guys call that?
Take Scott Hamilton. Take Scott Hamilton. I got one running on foot. They're running towards Scott Hamilton right now. They're running north. It's gonna be a black male. Correction, they're running south along the interstate. I believe there's two. I only saw one run out. Still on the car. I'm literally right here by the Exxon. It's going to be just east of that intersection. Hey! Hey! Come to me! 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 Come to me!
3046, I couldn't copy you. Did we pass her? 3051, which exit are you at? Yeah, we gotta turn around. She's back on Hamilton.
I got 115.
Thank you for doing that closing session.
After a desperate foot chase, the driver was finally caught, admitting to his reckless actions. A concealed firearm was discovered, leading to serious charges. The passenger, though innocent, was released, but the driver's fate was sealed, and the consequences of his actions were just beginning to unfold. Thank you for watching another intense episode here on the Chase Network. These videos are dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of following traffic rules, supporting justice, and honoring the hard work of our police officers. If you found this chase thrilling, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an action-packed moment. Stay tuned for more real-life pursuits. And remember, safety and respect for the law are always the best path forward. Until next time, stay safe and keep your eyes on the road because you never know when the chase might begin.